Hello friend, in today's video we will learn how to trade within the Binance exchange. So first you will need to open Binance exchange. After that you will see an interface like this. So to trade, first you need to deposit USD. As soon as your USD is deposited, you will need to click on trade. As soon as you click on trade, an interface like this will show up, and then here you have to click. First you have to chase the coin. After clicking here to select which coin you want to trade in, you can see almost all coins are available here. So select the coin you want to trade. I will select any one coin here as an example. So after selecting the coin, you will need to click here for instant buy. Select the market, it will be an instant buy. Then you will have to enter the amount you want to trade here. So for example, I enter $100 here. After that, you will need to buy here. You have to click on whichever coin it is. Then you have to click on buy. So you can see the current market price. If the price goes up, you will keep making a profit. If the price comes down, you will keep incurring a loss regarding placing a trade this way. If you have made a profit and want to sell it and convert it back to USDT, then click here. Select the sell option. Okay, after that enter the amount here. After that you have to click on sell ton and your sale will be successful and you will get your USD back. You can do this even after making a profit, and if you are incurring a loss, you want to do it even with a little loss, you can sell as well. This way you can trade within Binance.